Not for sure what kind of bird this is right there, but it's right there. Not for sure. It's right there. See it? It's trying to hide right there. It's white. See, it just flew down. See? Not for sure though. This is my backyard where I see all the birds fly around. Yep. It's a lake over there. There's trees all down through there. But this is the back. Yeah. So all I hear is the birds with the windows open. And see different color birds flying through here, like right there. As you can see through that little hole. It's a black bird right there. There's a bunch of them over there, see? They're all right there. See, it's a black one right there. It's one right there. But this is what I see from out of my bedroom. I get a chance to see the birds, the squirrels. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, there's a bird with red on it as well, right there next to the black one. Yeah. Now, if you zoom in, you can see them really good. You can see there's one right there, too, right in between there. Let me see if I can. Yeah. It's a lot of them, though. Mm-hmm. See, now it's a bunch of them right there. Because this one with some green on it, and then there's another one. So this might be a family that's right there. Because see, it's right there, and then it's two right there. But then you see that squirrel. That squirrel came in, but see them birds is still right there. And it's a lot of them. Oh, but then you see the bird right there. And then the sun right there. See? It's a lot of them. And I think they know I have them on camera. Because they're all popping up. See, it's all down there. Some right there too. See? Yep. It'd be a lot of them on here. And then in the road where I live, there's turtles. See? There go that bird again. They have the white. But now that squirrel is going up there. See? See the bird right there? Yep. And then it's one up there on that tree. And then I think this is the family over here because they're darker. With like a dark green on them. Then you get the one that's right here. See it right there? Yep. They be all up there. All on these trees right here, I believe they just be watching over me. This would be a lot.